obstacles, and seeking advice from accountability partners, individuals can strengthen their commitment and hold themselves more accountable. The presence of an accountability partner can provide an added level of motivation and commitment, making the journey towards goal achievement more enjoyable and successful. 7. The role of visualization and affirmations. 350 words. Visualization and affirmations are powerful techniques that can enhance goal achievement. Visualization involves creating mental images of successfully accomplishing the desired outcome. Similarly, positive affirmations involve repeating positive statements that reinforce belief in one's ability to achieve the goal. Affirmations can foster a positive mindset, boost self-confidence, and dissolve self-doubt. When combined with visualization, these techniques create a powerful synergy that propels individuals towards their goals with enthusiasm and determination. 8. Celebrating small victories. 300 words. While the ultimate goal may be the primary focus, it is crucial to celebrate small victories along the way. Breaking long-term goals into smaller milestones allows individuals to experience a sense of progress and accomplishment throughout the journey. Celebrating these smaller victories reinforces positive behavior and motivates individuals to keep pushing forward. Celebrations can take many forms, such as rewarding oneself with a small treat, sharing achievements with loved ones, or simply taking a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the progress made. By regularly acknowledging and celebrating these milestones, individuals create a positive cycle of motivation and achievement that propels them towards the larger goal. 9. Overcoming procrastination and time management. 350 words. Procrastination can be a significant obstacle to goal achievement. Understanding the root causes of procrastination and implementing effective time management techniques can help individuals overcome this hurdle. Procrastination often stems from fear, perfectionism, overwhelm, or lack of clarity. By addressing these underlying factors and breaking tasks down into manageable chunks, individuals can enhance their ability to take consistent action towards their goals. By managing time effectively, individuals maximize productivity, minimize procrastination, and create a conducive environment for goal achievement. X. The benefits of goal reflection and continual growth. 325 words. Goal reflection and continual growth are vital in the process of achieving goals and unlocking one's full potential. Regularly reflecting on goals allows individuals to assess progress, evaluate strategies, and make adjustments if necessary. It provides an opportunity for self-reflection, allowing individuals to gain insight into their strengths, weaknesses, and areas of improvement. Goal reflection and continual growth create a cyclical process of learning, improving, and accomplishing, leading to long-term success and fulfillment. Effective goal setting and goal achievement are essential components of personal and professional success. Setting clear, achievable goals allows individuals to clarify their direction, stay focused, and take appropriate actions to accomplish their desired outcomes. However, merely setting goals is not enough. It is equally crucial to develop strategies and employ the right mindset to ensure successful goal attainment. In this article, we will explore the key principles of effective goal setting, along with powerful techniques to boost goal achievement. By following these principles and techniques, individuals can unlock their full potential and experience greater fulfillment in all areas of life.